Hello, everybody. Once again, I'm traveling. We're at the Houston airport. I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about when we travel. How many of you get your frequent flyer miles? When you go get your car rental, what about some more miles? You know what that adds up to? Free travel every now and then. So, that's what we're going to talk about today. So please, like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. As you're traveling around during the holidays, I tell all my friends, did you get your airline miles? Did you get your car miles for that car rental? What about using your credit cards? Did you check and see if they're giving you bonuses for when you travel around and give you extra miles or a free gift or a certain percentage off for using your credit card during the holidays? Well, that's part of the Stop Struggling Now way. You earn these for doing what you do anyhow. So that's right. Go to points.com, load up whatever you have and add it to your point values. That way it's an easy way to keep track. That's points.com. Then you go to mileage plus dining or mileage dining and you add your credit card. So when you go out and eat, sometimes it'll be added to your, let's call it United Airlines or Delta Airlines or American Airlines mileage program. All you got to do is go load up your credit card every time you use it at certain restaurants, certain hotels. They'll add miles to your mileage. And that mileage turns into free travel. And that free travel can be last minute travel for you. Pretty simple. And that helps during the holidays. Why not? You know how expensive it is. And if you're already paying for something, why not get free miles with it? Sometimes when you get new credit cards, when you apply for credit cards, they have a certain points standards that they give out if you purchase a certain amount of items on the credit card. That's another way to get free travel. I rarely have talked about it, but since you're going to spend money for the holidays buying gifts, traveling around, you might as well get some sort of credit for it. Why not? That's the Stop Struggling Now way. And to everybody, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. And everyone, 2019, we hope it's going to be better than any year before. So stay tuned. We have new things coming out for you. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell down below so you get the latest updates. And I'm out.